What's up everyone, it's this guy, and today I'm doing a video that you might think is a no-brainer, but it's how to fill your windshield washer fluid in your car. Now I actually have 3 daughters, and 2 of them are actually drivers right now. Neither of them knows how to do this, so if you think that this video is it's just a waste of time, you'll be surprised how many stories I hear out there of people that are doing things that are a little crazy. As a matter of fact, there was a video that surfaced a while back of a woman who was trying to put gasoline into her Tesla. So there are definitely people out there that need a video like this. Now, there's a couple of indicators that you need to fill your washer fluid. Number 1 is an indicator light on your dashboard that'll let you know that your washer fluid is low. Maybe you don't know what it means. Here's an image of what that might look like, or it might look like that on other types of cars. Another indication is that perhaps there's just nothing coming out when you pull on the windshield washer lever, and there's nothing sputtering out of there. That's another indicator that you may need to fill your windshield washer fluid. Okay, so now you're going to want to gain access inside your hood, and if you don't know how to do this, there's a lever inside that's got a picture of a hood or an icon. Once the hood pops up, there's usually a latch or a lever you have to release in order to lift the hood, and then there's sometimes a rod, or 90% of the time it's a rod, that you insert into the hood to hold it open. So go ahead and get that done. So now comes the fun part of trying to figure out where to put the windshield washer fluid under the hood. The reservoir back here, that's brake fluid, so we don't want to put it there. Along the front up here by the radiator, this is where all the radiator or the engine coolant goes, so not there. And up here on top of the engine, that's where the oil goes. You definitely don't want to put it in there. In most cars, it's usually in the front passenger side. And if you wipe it off there, you'll see the icon there that looks exactly like the icon you'll see on your dashboard when your washer fluid is low. Let's go ahead and pop that open. You can buy washer fluid in pretty much all retailers. It comes in gallons, about $3. There's a cap on the top that needs to be removed, and then a foil that needs to be popped and then opened up. That's just so it doesn't spill in transit. I do recommend a funnel to avoid spilling washer fluid all over electronics or the belts underneath the engine that'll make them squeak if they get wet. Chances are you're going to need an entire gallon. Regardless of the size of your car, most cars take pretty much a gallon. A good rule to follow is to refill your washer fluid every time you do an oil change, which is about every 5,000 to 10,000 miles. Also make sure not to forget to close the cap. I'm rocking those gym shorts today. And just like that, you're finished. If this video was helpful, be sure to like or subscribe to see more videos like this. Thank you.